Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, February 10th. What is in our number corner area this day? Let's find out. As we look at our calendar, we have been discovering lots of shapes. Let's see what we have in our calendar card this day. Wow. Okay, my dear. We have, sort of looks like this could be a trapezoid. And this one down here could be a trapezoid, but I have a question for you. Are they the same size? Is shape A the same size as shape B? If the answer is no, then they are not congruent. Remember, in order for them to be congruent, they have to be the same shape and the same size. Not one, but both have to be yes. So, since they are not, but while we're here, let's do this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So we have 4 and 4, but they are not congruent. So we'll go to our area and we'll put in the information for this day, February 10th. We have trapezoids. One trapezoid here, one trapezoid here, 4 sides, 4 vertices. Shape A is not congruent to shape B. We write that down so we can keep track of what we are actually doing each day. So yesterday it was congruent, today it is not. As we continue to talk about our calendar and number corner information, we are now going to collect more cubes. Here we go. We're collecting 2 this day. So 1, 2. Oh my goodness. We have 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10, which is equal to 20. We'll add more to it tomorrow. We'll find out how much we've collected for the week. So far we've collected 20 cubes. What we're going to do now is actually really cool. I'm going to take you to this information. I want you to understand these four-sided shapes, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, are called quadrilaterals. Can you say that? Quadrilaterals. We have been discussing 4-sided shapes this month. So any 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. I'm going to quickly go over each of these quadrilaterals that we've been talking about this month. All of the quadrilaterals have 4 sides and, by the way, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, a vertice is a corner, We have our trapezoid here. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. That means if we actually had our arm stretched out just as this is stretched out straight and this is stretched out straight, those lines are going in the same direction, sort of. But if we look at the top half of this trapezoid and the bottom, they are actually straight lines going in the same direction. These 2 sides here almost are coming closer into the middle of it. So we have the top and the bottom of this quadrilateral that are exactly parallel. That means they're going in the same exact direction. One is not going left, one is not going right. Then we have our rectangles and squares. If we look at it, rectangle is another type of quadrilateral, four-sided shape, where every side is parallel. These two sides are 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 parallel. Then we have our rhombus. So we talked about the trapezoid, the rectangle, square, and then the rhombus. The rhombus almost looks like a square that was pushed over to the side. So it's not completely standing up. Rhombuses are parallelograms and quadrilaterals. They do have sides that are going in the same direction. We have the top and the bottom here going in the same direction, the bottom here and the top here going in the same direction. For a rhombus and a square, all four sides are equal. That means all four sides are the same size. Same size. A square is a rectangle with equal side lengths and is also a rhombus with right angle corners. So we have our trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus, and square. 4 quadrilaterals, which means all of those shapes. Trapezoid, rectangle, square, and rhombus all have 4 sides. We'll talk about this more throughout the month, but I wanted to introduce these to you today. Have an amazing day, All-Stars. Don't forget to count. Count going forwards and backwards from the number 70 all the way up to 110, and then going backwards from 110 all the way to 70. You can do it. I believe in you.